Okay, this is my second video for grade 10 graph lesson, second video. Already I started the video one. I shown straight line graphs, how to draw the straight graph and finding the gradient problems. At last we worked the gradient method of the gradient general form y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Finding the gradient of a straight line if the two coordinates or pair of coordinates are provided. Okay, so we'll see. I work some more questions from here, this book, so keep in touch. Refer your book, that chapter 21 in your part 2 book. Exercise 21.2 I'll show you from this video. For each graph with the given intercept and passing through the given points, write down the equation of the corresponding functions. Write down the equation of the corresponding functions. See the first problem there. They said C equal 1. C means intercept. Intercept is 1 and the line passes through 3, 10. So if you identify properly how I am showing this explanation and how I get this answer, then you can work all the and hereafter the problems given following other problems. So there's a straight line which cuts the y-axis at 1. Let's call C an intercept. At y-axis at 1 also passes to 3, 10. If I draw a diagram roughly, if I draw a diagram of rough use, something like this, right? This is 1. C. C means where the graph cut the y-axis, that is 1. Also graph passes to 3, 10 like this. So not need any graphs, but at the first time I'm showing with the diagram also. Later you catch the concept of the idea and you can work it all the following problems. So they ask, what is the equation is this? What is the equation of this line, right? There are various methods. So I take one, I'll show you one. Wherever they ask a straight line equation, you take y equal mx plus c form. You take the equation in the form of y equal mx plus c. So you need what is m, also you need what is c. If you know the both m and c, you can get the full answer. But c is given 1. Okay, now put c for 1. Y equal m unknown plus c is known 1. C is 1. So this is used. This is not used still. So find how to use this 3, 10, right? If any straight line or any graphs or curves passes to a given particular coordinate, that coordinate satisfies the equation. That coordinate satisfy means x value 3 you can apply here, y value 10 you can substitute here. So you substitute 3, 10 here, x for 3, y for 10, x for 3, y for 10, then you can find the m value. That's the idea, right? Now we substitute 3, 10, substitute here. What do you mean 3, 10? X is 3, y is 10. Put x for 3, m into 3, 3m. 3m plus 1. Now solve this equation. Always equation is very important. You passed, you learn the primary grade 7, 8, 9 solving idea, solving equation. So take the plus 1 this side, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 equal 3m. Therefore m is 3. Gradient is 3. Gradient is 3. So you know the m, they said what is c. So write the equation. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is y equal m for 3x plus 1 is the idea, right? You can follow all these type for other question, forthcoming problem. Second question. There's a straight line. Intercept is 2. intercept is 2, C is 2 and passes to 3, 3. Then write the equation of the straight line. You can follow the same roughly draw over diagram, or without that also can, right? Therefore, as I mentioned, you take whatever the equation asks, you take the general pattern, y equal mx plus c. Y equal mx plus c. Then you know the c is 2, put the c for 2. Y equal mx plus 2. Okay, now how to find the m value? Further they provide us the equation, the straight line passes to 3, 3. What do you mean 3, 3? X is 3, y also 3. So put that coordinate here. 3, 3. Substitute y for 3, x for 3. 3 into m, 3m. That means 3 therefore 3. Here x for 3, 3m plus 2. Solve and find the m value. So here 3, take the plus 2 this side, minus 2. This is 3m. So 3 minus 2, 1 equal 3m. So 3m equal 1. Therefore, what is m answer? 1 divided by 3. 1 over 3. So you know gradient, you know intercept, therefore write the equation. Therefore the equation is what? Y equal mx plus c. So y equal m for 1/3 x plus c for 2, right? C for 2. This is the method of this kind of question. Okay, see the third problem. That is their intercept 5. C equal 5 and the line passes to 2, 1. Then what is the equation or function or linear function? So you can teach me now, I think. The same idea follow. You have a few problems, draw over rough sketch, mark the details. Otherwise this. So wherever the equation y equal mx plus c, they said what is m? Apply. Y equal mx, c is given 5. Also to find the m value, they set another data. The line passes to 2, 1. So put 2, 1 here. Y for 1, x for 2, 2 times m, 2m, plus 5. Now solve this and find the m value. Take the 5 this side, 1 minus 5 equal 2m. So 1 subtract 5 minus 4 equal 2m. So 2m equal minus 4. Therefore m equal to minus 4 divided by 2. That is minus 2, right? Gradient is minus 2. Therefore write the equation. You know m, you know c. Therefore, but the equation is what? Y equal mx, m for minus 2, x, c is 5. C is 5. So negative gradient में graph come other shape, no? With the x-axis makes the obtuse angle called negative gradient. Okay, show next fourth also. C is 0 and passes to 3, 12. A straight line passes to 3, 12 and the intercept is 0. What do you mean intercept is 0? The line passes to the origin. It won't cut above the y-axis or below, above the x-axis or below the x-axis, it passes to the origin. That's called C0. If I draw a diagram like this, 0 passes to the origin, right? Also they said 3, 12. So follow same method, y equal mx plus c. So if you very clear here, you can write y equal mx. Y equal mx only. Y equal mx only. No c is 0 here. Now we have to find the m value. Follow same method. This coordinate passes through this straight line. Therefore 3, 12 satisfy this. So put y for 12. X for 3, 3 times m, 3m. So 3m is 12, therefore m is 4. Therefore the equation is m is 4, no c, c is 0. So y equal 4x. Y equal 4x is the method. You can work the same idea, couple of questions available. The same method, right? Okay, now I show the other exercise. You can see 21.3, another linear equation type problem. Find the equation of each of the straight line graphs that passes through the given points. Here only one point is given in this problem. Now the future, now they will give 2 coordinates. Then we have to find the 2 points they provide. We'll see what the equation of the straight line. The first question says a straight line passes through 1, 7 and 2, 10. This is my second video of the graph. We'll see a couple of videos afterward. Completely I show grade 10 type graphs. I complete first quadratic equation and complete second one logarithm chapter 1 only. Now I took this graph. So those newcomers, subscribe, or also you send this my videos for all others, your friends, colleague, or any all over, where are your relations, sisters, brothers, no matter. That's why I use this YouTube channel. In some lessons I taught in Zoom technology using advanced combined maths. The Zoom, you can use it hereafter, only that duration, time, only you can apply to use the Zoom ideas, identities. So you can use the other time or anywhere you can download it. So best thing is this. WhatsApp also you can't take the videos, high duration, long duration problem in the WhatsApp. Also the WhatsApp members are limited. That's why I use it YouTube channel. I create a channel for this all level separately, advanced combined maths under the bright academic handy, that heading. I send many problems, YouTube revision papers, revision discussion, model papers, theories, everything. This is a separate video. So you can subscribe also, you can send for your other, forward it to any other friends and your classmates or any relations, right? Okay, see this question. There's a straight line passes through 2 points. If I draw roughly, if I draw this straight line passes through 1, 7 and 2, 10, like this, passes to 2 coordinate, and find the m value and the c value, then only you can give the equation. Problem is find the equation of each of the straight line which are passes through like this 2 coordinate. So why it is given 2 coordinate? To find the m value, find the c value. Here they not said where the graph cut the y. So see the first question here. I'll explain properly, take a note, and you can work any problem here after similar fashion. So where of the equation, of the straight line, you take the general form y equal mx plus c, right? y equal mx plus c, you take always, sometimes c becomes 0. Now we find the m value. Stop the video, refer my the previous video, number 1, those are newcomers. I shown clearly how to show the gradient. So what the idea for find the m value, difference between the y coordinate, same order, divide by the x coordinate. So here m equal, what is m equal, difference between the y coordinate. Here y is 10, here y is 7. So 10 minus 7 divided by 2 minus 1. Study the newcomers, the difference between the y value divided by the x coordinate. 10 minus 7, 3. Here 1, therefore 3. Gradient is 3. You know the gradient. So write m for 3. Plus c. Still c is missing. You can't find what is c. If you can draw it in a graph sheet, if you draw, you can find the c by view, by observation. But these are without drawing ideas. Part 1 question. This is a O-level 2 marks problem, right? Also a grade 10 maths. Now see how to find the c value. This line passes to 1, 7. As I mentioned earlier problem. Passes to 2, 10. If a line passes to a particular coordinate, that coordinate satisfies the equation. Therefore, I can write the 1, 7. I put the 1, 7 here. What do you mean 1, 7? X is 1, y is 7. So put y for 7. X for 1, 3 times 1 plus c. So 7 equal 3 plus c. Take the 3 this side, 4. C equal 4. So you know c, you know m. Therefore the equation of the function straight line y equal mx plus c, m for 3x, c for 4. So very clear. If any problem, stop the video, check your note and verify the answer how I shown this and practice. Then you can make all the problem hereafter. Next question, second problem. 3, minus 1, minus 2, 9. A straight line passes to these 2 points. Then find the m value, find the c value, and write the equation of the straight line y equal mx plus c form. You can draw as I mentioned like earlier or follow. So first m value, gradient value. What is m value formula? y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2, right? Difference between the y coordinate, same order, divide by the x coordinate. You take any y value first. Better large value is better. I think the 9 is the y1 value. So 9, subtract same order here, minus 1. Divide by, here x is minus 2, subtract 3. Don't misuse, but the y value take up the same order, take the x, otherwise different answer. So 9, you know, minus minus plus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. So 10 over minus 5, that is minus 2. Gradient is minus 2. Now find the intercept value, c value. So now we have the y equal mx plus c. This is the equation of the straight line pattern of this. You need the m value, we found already m is minus 2. We have to calculate the c hereafter. So y equal, put m for minus 2x plus c. So we find the c as I mentioned earlier problem. this line passes through this coordinate, also that coordinate, you apply any coordinate which satisfy the equation, then you can find the C answer. I apply this 3 comma minus 1. I apply this coordinate 3 comma minus 1 here. So y equal minus 2 into x for 3, y4 minus 1, substitute y4 minus 1, x4 3 plus c. So what is that? Minus 1 equal, multiple this to minus 6 plus c, and take the minus 6 this side plus 6, here already minus 1 available, so c equal 5. That's your work. Only first step is grade 10. Others are your knowledge of solving, subtracting, that no idea. If you failure to adding positive, negative numbers and all, you have failed. You can't work properly the solution. So you know C, you know M. So what the equation? Y equal M is minus 2x plus C is 5. This is the equation of that problem. So you can work all the same problems, a lot of questions there, you can practice. So I show you the problem. It's a third problem. 2 comma 2 comma 0 comma minus 4, right? A straight line passes through 2 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 4. So write its equation. Always wherever the equation problem of a straight line, you take the form of y equal mx plus c, right? Mx plus c. So find the gradient first. What is gradient? What the method? Difference between the y coordinate divide by difference between the same order x coordinate. I take 2 here, y is 2, subtract, otherwise what? Minus 4, very important, minus 4 over same order x coordinate 2 here, here 0. So what the answer, you know, minus minus plus, we have a totally 6. 2 minus 0 is 2, right? Therefore gradient is 3, gradient is 3, okay? Now we have to find the c value. Now come to the equation. Y equal m for 3x plus c. Now how to calculate this c value? This straight line passes to 2 comma 2. Therefore 2 comma 2 satisfy the equation. Or 0 comma minus also you can apply, minus 4 also. You select any value you apply, right? I take a 2 comma 2. I put the 2 comma 2 here. Y is 2, x is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, plus c. So take the 6 other side. So what is that? 2 minus 6, minus 4. So c equal minus 4. Intercept is minus 4, right? So you know c, you know m, therefore the equation y equal mx 3x, c is minus 4. So part 1 question, practice this simple, and couple of questions there. I hope you can work those, practice and keep in touch. Next video I'll show the main part of the grade 10 syllabus, parabolic curves like this. Very interesting graphs, parabola. For that you need a graph sheet. So next video, before come to my video next time, you keep your graph sheet, buy some graph sheets or keep the graph book available, 40 page, 80 page like that, or whatever you keep it. Then you can use it for all continuously for grade 11 also, tracing the parabolic curves and answering some questions. So expect my third video become a parabolic or quadratic function graphs, we call parabola. We'll see, so keep in touch. So newcomers, subscribe and press the bell sign. you'll receive my attractive video hereafter.